In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're tidying up a document or correcting information, knowing how to remove text is a handy skill to have in your toolkit. Let's navigate through this process together, step by step, to ensure it's seamless and clear for you. To kick things off, once you're on the home page of Adobe Acrobat, you'll come across a couple of options. There's the choice to either create a new document or to open one of your recent documents. Since our focus today is on the documents you've been working with, let's go ahead and choose one from your recent list. This is a practical option because it saves time and immediately brings you back to working on a project you might already be invested in. Now, with your document open, the task at hand is to locate the specific text that you want to remove. Maybe it's an outdated paragraph or a stray sentence that's no longer relevant. Once you identify the text, you have a couple of straightforward strategies to consider. Position your cursor at the start or end of the text block and press the backspace key firmly but gently on your keyboard. This action will immediately erase the text. It's as if the words are evaporating, leaving a clean slate in their wake, perfect for making your document look pristine and polished. But what if the text spans a larger section, or there's a neat block of text you wish to eliminate more efficiently? In this case, it's time to employ the highlight and delete approach. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. You'll notice it stands out, visually indicating that it's been selected as your target. Once highlighted, press the delete key, and just like that, the selected text will vanish. These methods offer you flexibility. Depending on your preference or the specific context of the document you're working on, you can choose the one that feels most comfortable and efficient for you. Remember that the Edit toolbar in Adobe Acrobat is intuitive and will support these actions fluently, making your text removal process smooth and hassle-free. In closing, whether you're editing for clarity, updating content, or reformatting your document altogether, knowing how to effectively remove text in Adobe Acrobat is an essential skill. Not only does it streamline your workflow, but it also enhances the professionalism of the documents you produce. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you're ready to tackle your document edits with confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring what Adobe Acrobat has to offer, and I'll see you in the next video.